Hi guys, myself Amit. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to install automation in your bot agent in your laptop or desktop. What is the process to access automation in your control room in Community Edition for learning purpose? So let's start. So first we need to open any browser in our system. Then click in this browser, simply type automation anywhere Community Edition and press enter. After this fast Community Edition free RPA automation anywhere. So after clicking that link, this page will be appear. So in this page, you need to fill up some details about you, like your first name, last name, business email, phone number. So after filling up all this information, you need to click on this create free community edition. Then automation in your team will send you an email with your control room link, and username and password. So as earlier, I have already filled all this information. So I have received an email from automation here. Let me show you this email. So this is my control room. This mail I have received from automation in your team. So this is my control room URL and this is my username and this is my password. So simply copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Then you need to copy this username and paste it. Then your first login password will be this. After your first login, you need to change your password as per your choice. You can set up your password. So as I have already set up my new password, so let me log in using my new password. So this is my automation layer control room. Now we need to install our bot agent to connect our device with this control room. So how to install bot agent? To install bot agent, simply you need to click on this icon. This icon and you click on this bot running device, this icon. After clicking this, connect local device. Then this window will appear. Click on connect to my computer and manually download the latest version of bot agent. Or also you can connect download your bot agent from manage device, then click on this icon connect local device. After clicking it, this same window will appear, then click on connect to my computer. After clicking it, after that one exe file will be downloaded in your system, then you need to install that exe file. Once it will be downloaded in your laptop or desktop, simply install it and then click on next. Then bot agent automatically will be connected with your control. So as I have already installed it, let me show you. After installing the bot agent, it will be automatically connected with your control room. So as you can see in left hand side, there is showing one green tick, so that means my bot agent connected with my control room. So now I go to Explore tab. So automation engineer provide us first option is community edition. As you can see, the community edition used to create dashboard, and second IQ one basically used to bring unstructured data into structured one using artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, etc. Bot Insight. Bot Insight used to analyze how the bots are performing. So our existing created bot, how they are performing to check that performance. We will use it. First one is RE, and RE stands for Automation and Robotic Process Interface. So it's basically we used to automate any front office kind of work. Fifth one is Discovery Bot. Discovery Bot basically find identify the automation opportunity. So to create any PGP or HTTP. So business analyst or developer can use this. In our upcoming video, we'll start automation using this automation anywhere tool. So in our next video, we'll start creating the bot using automation anywhere. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries regarding this bot agent installation, please put a comment. I'll reply you.